Every morning, you scroll through dozens of articles. But what if AI could read the web for you, summarize the most important stories, and deliver them to your inbox before your first coffee? In this video, we're going to build your own AI-powered daily news brief, fully automated with no code, using n8n, RSS feeds, and large language models. A perfect tool for creators, professionals, and students who want to stay ahead. Staying current in tech and AI is hard. Too many sources, too little time. This project automates the problem away. Tools you'll use: n8n, your no-code automation engine; RSS, to gather live news from TechCrunch, Hacker News, etc. LLM, to summarize it in human-friendly language. Gmail, to deliver a beautiful daily digest. You can use the n8n cloud version, or you can self-host it. I am running n8n locally in Docker. If you want to learn about different n8n hosting options and how to self-host, please check out n8n introduction video linked above. To save time, I am using the workflow I already created, but I will explain each step in detail so you can create it from scratch for yourself. Step-by-step breakdown. Step 1. Trigger with cron node. First, we need to schedule the flow to run every morning. In n8n, we use the schedule trigger, formerly cron. Set trigger interval to days, days between triggers to 1, trigger at hour to 7 a.m. This will run this workflow every day at 7 a.m. Step 2. Fetch news with RSS nodes. Next, we need to fetch news from your favorite news sites. Today, we are using 3 sites: TechCrunch.com, Hacker News, and artificialintelligencenews.com. For each of them, let's add an RSS feed read node. Set the URLs as follows. It outputs title, link, content. Step 3. Combine news items. Since we get data from different RSS feeds, it is better to combine them all together before processing. For that, let's create a merge node. Since we need to combine everything, select the mode as append. The number of inputs are 3 because we are combining the output of 3 RSS feeds. Step 4. Summarize with LLM. We need to do a small thing before sending it to LLM. You can see 20, 20, and 12 items coming out of RSS nodes. There are 52 items. We are only sending the content to the LLM node. We need to make sure that we preserve the title and the link of each news item so that we can include them later in the email to the user. So what we do is we add a set or edit fields node. Here we are going to create new fields for title, link, and content. For each of the fields, we get the data from the output of the merge node. Then we create 2 parallel paths. In one of them, we create the LLM node to process the data, then merge the output of the LLM node and the output of the set node. So both LLM-generated data and the original title and link information will be available. As for the LLM node, you can use OpenAI or any other LLM node. Here, I am using my local Ollama setup. If you want to know how to set up Ollama locally, please check our video linked above. Since I am using Ollama as my LLM, I will create an HTTP request node and send a request to a llama. If you are running n8n in Docker, remember to use host.docker.internal in the URL instead of localhost. Create one body parameter as model and set the value to llama 3.2. Create another body parameter as prompt. You can use a simple prompt like, summarize the following article in 2-3 sentences. Problem with the prompt is it will create an output like this. We actually don't need, here is a summary, blah, 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 in each news item. So what we can do is give a more specific prompt like, summarize the following article in 2 to 3 sentences. Output only the summary. Do not preface your answer with anything. This will give us a nice, clean output, which we can put in the email digest. As I said earlier, next we need to merge the LLM output with the set node output using a merge node. Select the mode as combine and use position to combine items. We have 2 inputs. Step 5, clean and format summaries. You can see that the output LLM generated is in fragments. We should consolidate them before sending them to the next step. We'll add a code node to clean up this. This is a very simple code. I will share it in the description. Here is what this code is all about. We capture the title and link, then use the data section of the output and split it into rows and process it. Using the code, we remove any boilerplate text like, here is a summary. Then we will get a plain text output like this, which is not easily readable. So what we can do is add a little bit of formatting using HTML. We create a simple div block, create a heading to show the title, then we display the summary. Next, we add the link to the article in the Read More section. Step 6, send with Gmail. Finally, we use a Gmail node. You need to create a credential to connect to Gmail. If you don't have a credential already and want to know how to create that, please watch our video linked above and watch the section on Google Cloud Setup. Go to Google Cloud and make sure Gmail API is enabled. Add the recipient. Set the subject. Include the formatted HTML text in the message body. Let's execute and see. Here we go. The email is in your inbox. Look at it well formatted and easy to read. Make sure you activate the workflow, so it will run every day automatically. So this is your workflow. Simple, but effective. What's possible next? You can tweak this further to make it more useful. You can limit the number of items included in the output to make the email smaller. You can send this to thread to Twitter, X, or LinkedIn using AI snippets. Send to WhatsApp or Telegram channels. Localize summaries in multiple languages. Add analytics to track click-throughs. Text-to-speech to generate an audio news brief. This project isn't just a cool workflow, it's a productivity superpower. Try it, build it, and personalize it. Let AI keep you informed, your way. Comment what you'd add to the workflow. Get the code template in the description. Like, subscribe, and share with your AI-curious friends. See you in the next video.